Okay, good day, Miss Architect Jericho Miyamata. My name is Kenneth Cleto. So today I will be explaining my design concept in my Design in Architectural Design 3. Okay, first off, my design concept. My design concept is the design concept is inspired by the works of other architecture. So meaning, I use some other shapes in use some inspirational works from other architecture, making minimalist plain design minimalist modern office. What I mean is in minimalist modern office is in here in Philippines in Makati there are a lot of modern office, so I use some of it, some minimalist modern office buildings. It is inspired by its simplicity and environmental friendly to the building and with its concept of achieving elegance through a large set of fundamental elements. Next is the main explanation of what I want to achieve in the concept is showing the architectural structure of its element by shape, design, beauty, minimalist, and showing passive nature effects to the building. What I mean here is in my building, in my left elevation, I used a large custom window you that shows passive lighting in my building. Next is design philosophy. Give your dream a shape of reality and to bring out beauty to the structure to life. I usually mention dream in my philosophy since I am still a student and dreaming to get a clear picture on my future is the most physical rationale. Next is design objectives. Okay, my first design objective is to have an excellent service and comfort to the design and to the customers. Next is to provide an excellent and durable materials that last long enough. Next is to provide security systems that helps their safety and protection in the restaurant or rather in the building. Next is to provide cleanliness at the restaurant by providing trash bins near every corner. Next is to to pertain to environmental performance of the building elements and strategies. Next is we're moving on to design consideration. I have five design consideration. There are style, materials, accessibility, management, and form. Okay, number one, style. Style distribute the building's necessities and services while also displaying, appealing to represent the building structure of the architecture. Number two, materials. It must be designed in such a manner or matter that the components are used effectively and efficiently and most function well under uh, artificial circumstances. Number three is accessibility. Accessibility by providing a service from customer to regulate handicapped people. That's my really number one priority here in my restaurant, in my design, is accessibility. Number four is management by avoiding such a delays or um, in all sections while keeping the service flow. What I mean here is by not having a traffic outside when cars, so I provided allotted space to so that they can U-turn and there will be no delays in outside the building. Next is form, not only about interior or exterior view, it comes to how a structure comes to build. It's also about the what do you call this? Aesthetic pleasure derived from expressing a functional structure. So that's my five consideration. Now we're moving on to my site analysis. In my site analysis, I indicated the what do you call this? The drainage system that flows in my building, and I also indicated the winter winds, and I also indicated the road noise, rear view, and also indicating summer sunrise, winter sunset, and summer sunset. That's all for my explanation here in my design concept, in my design subject. Thank you, Miss Architecture Kamiyamata, for listening. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.